अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहल्लुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. We were so eager to meet you and talk with you in our school, but we are helpless and puppets in the hands of nature. We have no option but to submit our will to Almighty Allah. May Almighty Allah protect the entire humanity from this lethal, fatal COVID-19 virus. In this video, I am going to discuss with you a formal and informal invitation writing. It carries 4 marks for the student of 11 and 12 standard. I would request all the students to write down at least 6 examples of invitation writing in your notebook. I will send it to you inshallah on your WhatsApp group. So let's begin it without any delay. Many social by nature. I would like to let you know the background of writing. Many social by nature. Hence, interaction and communication between human beings is quite natural. In fact, it has become unavoidable. We may share view either orally or in writing. We hold many social functions such as celebration of birthdays, engagement, wedding, marriage anniversary, appointment, promotion. Invitation form an important part of social dealings. An invitation is a request to an individual to come or go somewhere or to do something. Invitation can be both formal as well as informal. Formal invitation are formal letters. They can be printed on cards or can be drafted in the form of social letters. Formal invitation can be of 2 types. Printed invitation cards inviting guests to be present on a particular occasion. Such invitation do not include the name of the addressee. Let me tell you, printed invitation cards inviting guests to be present on a particular occasion. Such invitation do not include the name of the addressee because it is card. Formal type, handwritten letter and addressed to a VIP invited to preside over a social, cultural or educational function. When we invite a VIP person to preside over the function. In this invitation to VIP's name of the addressee appear prominently. You will not be able to understand just listening, but when you will just see the example, you will find it very easy to understand. I will give you more than 20 examples. I will send it to you inshallah through PDF file. Formal invitation are formal and polite, pleasant and courteous. Formal invitation are formal and polite, pleasant and courteous. Informal invitation generally take the shape and form of personal letters. We use these to invite our friends, relatives, dear ones with whom we have intimate personal and friendly relation. In informal invitation, the tone and treatment is relaxed, informal and friendly. We don't need to be formal while writing informal letter, right? Formal invitation, let us have the main characteristic of the formal invitation. A formal invitation is normally single sentence presentation in the third person. A formal invitation is normally a single sentence presentation in the third person. Formal invitations are generally printed invitation cards. We use them to invite guests on some auspicious occasion like birthday, wedding, inauguration of shop, houses. The invitation answer the question whom, who, whom, when, where, what time and for what. The occasion, the name of the invitee, the name of the host, the date, time and venue. The other details including name, designation and address of the organizer, sponsor or host or the name of the chief guest or special invitee in case of an official invitation. Printed formal invitation don't include the name of the addressee. Invitation to VIP to preside over a function do carry the name of VIP prominently. Length as per CBSE guidelines is limited to 50 words. Example. For example, now this is what I have spoken up till now is just only theory. You will come to know the practical when you will see the letters. All right. A secretary of the literary club of Saint Anne's School. Example. As secretary of literary club of Saint Anne's Schools, Ahmedabad, or any school, draft a formal invitation in not more than 50 words for the inauguration of the club in your school. Right? So this is an example, this is a question, and if you write the answer of this, you will get 4 marks. So how to write? Let's see. Saint Anne's School, Ahmedabad, right? Sentence should be like this. We cordially invite all the staff, students and parents for the inauguration of the literary club of the school on 29th July between, और जो भी मुनासिब आपको मंथ लगे. We cordially invite all the staff, students and parents for the inauguration of the literary club of the school on 29th December between 8:30 am to 11:30 am within the school premises. Well-known novelist Mr. Sandeep Kumar will be our chief guest. You all are requested to join us in the auditorium for tea and snack after the inauguration ceremony. Secretary. That is the finish. You will get 4 marks, very easy. For example, let's see the second example. The literary club of your school putting up the play Waiting for Godot. The literary club of your school is putting up the play Waiting for Godot. There is one play, that is the title of the play is Waiting for Godot. As secretary of the club, draft an invitation inviting the famous writer so and so, for example Sudhir Gupta, to be the chief guest of honor at the function. Write the invitation in not more than 50 words. You are Govind Gauri. Let's see. So your school names ABC School, Shastri Nagar, और जो भी है Matiwala Public School, Mumbai, Bharuch, and so date, right? As if you are writing a letter. Then whom you are inviting? Mr. Sudhir Gupta. Where is the link? Baroda, right? Area Baroda. Dear sir, you can say. No, first you have to write a subject invitation as a chief guest, then after salutation. Dear sir, the literary club of our school is putting up the play Waiting for Godot on 17th January 2020 21st in our school auditorium from 9 to 10 am. On behalf of our club, I would like to extend a cordial invitation to you to be the guest of honor at the function. It would be our privilege if you consent to grace the occasion with your esteemed presence, right? And then after your title, the question, what was the question? Gauri or Gaurav? So Gaurav, secretary, literary club. That's all, finish. This is very important for the student of 11th standard as well as 12th standard. Question number 3, which I am just giving an example. As the principal of a reputed college, you have been invited to inaugurate a book exhibition in your neighborhood. Draft a reply to the invitation in not more than 50 words, expressing your inability to attend the function. You are Tarun Tanvi. I am reading the question once again. As the principal of a reputed college, you have been invited to inaugurate a book exhibition in your neighborhood. Draft a reply. You have already been invited. Now you have to reply whether you are coming or not, right? You will attend that function or not. Draft a reply to the invitation in not more than 50 words, expressing your inability to attend the function. Means you are not going to come, you are not going to attend that function because of so and so reason, and because of this you are writing, you are replying back to the person who has invited you, right? Let's see, reply to invitation. The principal, AB School, right? So and so date. Subject is very important. Inability to accept the invitation. Inability to accept the invitation. This will be the subject. Then after you have to write the salutation, sir. I would like to express my gratitude to the Civil Lines Book Club for inviting me to inaugurate the first edition of the Civil Club book exhibition. But I regret my inability to attend the function due to a prior commitment. I have to attend a meeting with the governing body of our college on the same day for which the inauguration is scheduled. Yours faithfully, Tanvi, जो भी है principal. That's only. I still would like to give you 2 or 3 or example. Then after I wind up, then after I am going to send you PDF file in which more than 20 examples are given, and you have to read it not only once. You have to read it. Formal invitation. The formal invitation is there in the form of card also. It is there in the form of letter also. Informal letter and formal invitation, informal invitation, and its reply, both the side, right? Formal invitation reply and informal invitation reply. Then after declining, right? Or not able to attend the function, that's also. So if you just pay a little bit attention, you will be able to get full marks, inshallah. Let's see the 4th example. You have received an invitation to be the judge for a literary competition in St. Anne's School. Send a reply in not more than 50 words confirming your acceptance. This example is that yes, you are going to attend the function, and you are giving reply that yes, you are going to attend the function, and you will be coming as a judge, right? You are Mohan Mohini, All India. Okay, fine. Confirming acceptance. This question has already been asked in All India. There is one exam that is known as All India level. This I forget the name of the exam, but anyway, this has been asked. Confirming, what will be you writing? Confirming acceptance on the heading, right? You will be writing the address, your address, so and so address, Bharuch. Then after the name of the school, St. Anne's School, Bharuch. Subject, acceptance of invitation for judging the literary competition. This will be the subject, and then you have to write, sir, I would like to express my gratitude to St. Anne's School for inviting me to be the judge for a literary competition in your school. I confirm my acceptance for the same and will make sure that I am present there at the scheduled date and time. Yours sincerely. Let us have one more example. Sunrise Global School, Agra is going to organize one act play competition in school auditorium. You have decided to invite noted stage artist Nalini to grace the occasion. Draft a formal invitation for her in about 50 words. You are Karuna Karan, Culture Secretary. The principal, now this is the card writing. How to write even, how to invite even in the form of card also. So how to write it? And it should be written in box. The principal, staff and teachers of Sunlines Public School take pleasure in inviting noted stage artist MS Nalini to grace the occasion, to grace the one act play competition in the school auditorium on Tuesday so and so date from 8:30 to 11, right? And you have to write one thing at the end, RSVP. When you were writing a letter, you used to keep writing yours sincerely, but you have to write here RSV. It is a French word. The full form I will let you know in inshallah very next video. Awaiting a favorite response from your end, right? RSVP, Karuna, Culture Secretary. You will get an idea when you will see the one more example I would like to give you. On 30th November, your school is going to hold its annual sport day. You want Mr. Dhanraj Pillai, a very famous educationist as well as a noted hockey player, to give away the prize to the budding budding sports person of the school. Write a formal invitation in about 50 words. Request him to grace the occasion. You are Karun Karan, Sports Secretary, Sunrise Global School, Agra. Sunrise Global School takes pleasure in inviting noted hockey player Mr. Dhanraj Pillai to grace the occasion of its annual sport day and give a prize to a budding sports person on 30 November 2000 so and so from 8 a.m. to 12, awaiting a favorable response from your end. Karuna, a sports secretary. One more example I would like to give you. Your friend PV Satish has invited you to attend the wedding of his sister Jaya. You find that you have an important paper of pre-board examination on the day of the wedding. Thus, you cannot attend the event. Write in about 50 words a formal reply to the invitation expressing your regret. You are Punita 114 Red Chennai, right? 15 January, thank you PV Satisha for your kind invitation to the wedding of your sister Jaya on 23rd January 2000 so and so. I regret my inability to attend as I have an important pre-board examination on the day of the wedding. Wishing the newly wedded couple a very happy married life. Best wishes, Puneet. Then after your address, that's all. Khalas. And by this way, I have shared with you the 7 example. I am going to share with you more than 20 example inshallah in PDF file. I will request all the students, especially 12th standard student, to go through this PDF file, and especially to 11th standard student, because this is very important. This is going to be the part of your post midterm exam, and this is going to be for 12th standard. This is going to be the part of your board exam, right? Allah Hafiz.